It is a pretty case. Active noise cancellation. Just like the AirPods Pro. Yeah, I picked the blue earbuds. I think the blue looks dope. Seven hours of playtime. Got a charging cable, Type-C. And all sizes, like eight different sizes. I'm sorry, 4 different sizes. Really, it is 8 pairs, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 pairs. It's really difficult to remove these earbuds from the case. Why? Okay. Test. As usual, let me plug in my kilowatt and put this thing in the middle, the USB meter. Using the included USB Type-C cable. I think that means the battery is low, right? Okay. Less than 1 watt. The meter shows half watt. Okay, half watt. Not too bad for such a small battery. Okay, more extensive review coming soon when I use it a little bit more.